Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, Bluetooth streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.